Okay, let's get to work on the north part of our map. I'm here in the instructions, and we have added the Mason-Dixon line. The next slide says, add any 3 factories to the north. Remember, this is all above the Mason-Dixon line. I've put several different types of factories. Here we have textile mills. We learned about the Lowell girls in Lowell, Massachusetts. We learned about Sam Slater. Also, one of the important innovations of the Industrial Revolution are steam locomotives. There are 2 really big steam locomotive factories. One of them is in Philadelphia, the other one's in New Jersey. We also have shipbuilding yards, which are increasingly building ships made from iron. And that will be a big factor in the Civil War. Also, weapons manufacturing. We have these places called armories, which are a place to store weapons, but they also get into making guns and cannons. The oldest and most famous is the Springfield Armory, and there's this other very famous one called the Harper's Ferry Armory. So pick any 3, and I want you guys to add these to the map. The easiest thing to do is to copy one of them. I'm going to hit Control-C on my keyboard, and then I'm going to go to Google Maps. This will make it really easy to find these places. Quick review on opening your maps like this in your places. Maps tab, My U.S. History Map, and then clicking Open in My Maps to edit. And I had copy and pasted one of the things on that list. It was a mill. I'm going to hit Control-V, and it's Old Slater Mill National Historic Landmark. There it is. I'm going to click on it. It's going to take me right to it. And to make it this easy for you guys, once it's here, you're going to click right here on Add to Map. This is going to take this location, and it's going to put it on your map. You're going to see it popped up over here. And you'll also have the opportunity to change the color. I'll choose orange and change the icon. I like for the factory icons, if you go into places, there are a few down here that are good. There's kind of an office building. This looks like a mill to me, and this is definitely a factory. I'm gonna keep it consistent. I'm gonna choose all my factories to have the same icon. I'm gonna make them all orange, and I'm gonna make them all the little factory. So now to complete this layer, I have to add 2 more. But you'll note that the color and icon are now here. Well done.